CNN, ABC News, CBC, Inside Edition, and more have all reported on the scary amount of bacteria and germs in hotel rooms. The CleanseBot is a pocket-sized smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets, using UVC light. CleanseBot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot that you can take on all of your adventures. With built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors, and 3 different modes, the CleanseBot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your CleanseBot on the bed, touch one button, and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using patent-pending wheel technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, just pick up your CleanseBot and the sensors will detect your hand, and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards, and even children and pet toys. The CleanseBot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack your portable charger. Instead of having to pack another device, the CleanseBot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and a USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging times. Experts at the National Institute of Health, Columbia University, and Time, as well as many others, have shown how UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mold, and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart CleanseBot and guard against germs no matter where you are.
Eat delicious food and lose weight. Sound impossible? It's not. Science and real-world results have shown that the ketogenic diet is a highly effective way to lose weight, and now it's more popular than ever. The problem is that it's hard to do effectively. You don't know what to eat, and you don't know how you're doing because of the lack of feedback. Until now. Introducing Keto. Keto enables you to optimize your weight with an entirely new program that's fun and easy to use.
On keto, you eat low-carb, high-fat foods, also known as the ketogenic diet. And this allows weight loss while eating the foods you love. Many people report improved energy, deeper sleep, and some say they have better mental focus. And by using keto, they know what foods to eat to reach their health goals.
Keto is easy. The breath analyzer shows your keto level, which gives you rapid feedback on how you're doing and how much fat you're burning. And the app gives you guidance on what to do and what to eat based on your keto level. It's really that simple.
To lose weight, it's critical to get the right feedback. With keto, one breath tells you everything you need to know. Depending on your body type, you can expect to lose about 5% of your weight in the first 5 weeks. A lot of people in the pilot have lost even more.
Keto is great because it shows me that the foods that I love to eat, I can still eat. I get to eat cheese and I lose weight. I get to eat avocado and lose weight.
When I started the ketogenic diet, I started losing weight and then it just stopped. I had no idea why. Then I started using keto and it completely changed the way that I took in food.
We found that people who did keto with friends had better success and more fun. Because of this, we built in social challenges as a core component of the Keto app.
I like it a lot. I'm on the app all the time. I either compare myself to my buddies or, keeping some friends honest, that kind of thing.
It's really great having someone else on the app with me. Keto's a great program and it really helps me stay focused to those fitness goals I set for myself.
I get people coming up to me, hey, you're looking good, dude. What are you doing to diet or work out? And I get to tell them about the Keto program.
By using Keto, you can lose weight, eat delicious foods you love, and have fun while improving your health. Try Keto today and take control of your life.